Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to recite a poem of Unit 1 from our Marigold book of Class 4. The poem name is Wake Up. Let's read and recite.
Let's read and recite.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, wake up.
It's a lovely day.
It's a lovely day.
Oh, please get up
Oh, please get up
and come and play.
and come and play.
The birds are singing in the trees.
The birds are singing in the trees.
And you can hear the buzzing bees.
And you can hear the buzzing bees.
Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, wake up.
It's a lovely day.
It's a lovely day.
Oh, please get up
Oh, please get up
and come and play.
and come and play.
It's much too late to lie in bed.
It's much too late to lie in bed.
So hurry up, you sleepyhead.
So hurry up, you sleepyhead.
Wash and dress
Wash and dress
and come on out.
and come on out.
Everyone is up and about.
Everyone is up and about.
The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep.
The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep.
The teeniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep.
The teeniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Poem by C. Fletcher.
Poem by C. Fletcher.
New words.
New words.
Lovely,
Lovely,
buzzing,
buzzing,
sleepyhead,
sleepyhead,
teeniest.
teeniest.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
1.
1.
What do you think
What do you think?
birds say to each other in the morning?
Birds say to each other in the morning.
2.
2.
Who are already awake?
Who are already awake?
3.
3.
Which creatures
Which creatures
wake up in the morning
wake up in the morning
before the child does?
before the child does?
Let's listen.
Let's listen.
1.
1.
Listen to the songs of birds.
Listen to the songs of birds.
Say the words
Say the words
boy
boy
and bee.
and bee.
Listen to the B sound in
Listen to the bee sound in
big,
big,
bubbles,
bubbles,
bin,
bin,
bag,
bag,
blue,
blue,
blow,
blue,
and black.
and black.
2.
2.
Listen to the baby chicks.
Listen to the baby chicks.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Let's listen and talk.
Let's listen and talk.
1.
1.
Go for a morning walk.
Go for a morning walk.
Listen to the sounds you hear,
Listen to the sounds you hear,
like the rustling of leaves,
like the rustling of leaves,
the wind blowing,
the wind blowing,
the chirping of birds,
the chirping of birds,
the sounds of footsteps.
the sounds of footsteps.
2.
2.
Imagine that a cow,
Imagine that a cow,
a horse,
a horse,
a duck,
a duck,
and a chicken
and a chicken
are meeting for a morning meal.
are meeting for a morning meal.
What would they say
What would they say
to one another?
to one another?
Talk about it.
Talk about it.
Say aloud,
Say aloud,
Betty bought a bit of butter,
Betty bought a bit of butter,
but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter.
but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter.
So Betty bought some better butter
So Betty bought some better butter
to make the bitter butter better.
to make the bitter butter better.
1.
1.
Connect the pairs of sentences below
Connect the pairs of sentences below
using and or but.
using and or but.
A.
A.
It is time to get up for school.
It is time to get up for school.
B.
B.
I want to sleep for some more time.
I want to sleep for some more time.
Blank.
Blank.
A.
A.
Sheila got some chocolates
Sheila got some chocolates
for her birthday.
for her birthday.
B.
B.
She got some new clothes too.
She got some new clothes too.
Blank.
Blank.
A.
A.
Everyone has gone to sleep.
Everyone has gone to sleep.
B.
B.
I want to read my book.
I want to read my book.
Blank.
Blank.
A.
A.
Raju plays cricket.
Raju plays cricket.
B.
B.
He also plays hockey.
He also plays hockey.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Fill in the blanks
Fill in the blanks
according to the example given below.
according to the example given below.
Teeny,
Teeny.
teenier,
Teenier.
teeniest,
Teeniest.
big,
big,
blank,
blank,
biggest,
biggest,
sleepy,
sleepy,
sleepier,
sleepier,
blank,
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 lovelier,
lovelier,
loveliest,
loveliest,
blank,
blank,
letter,
letter,
blank,
blank,
round,
round,
blank,
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 small,
small,
blank,
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 good,
good,
blank,
blank,
best.
best.